Hey, it's nearly my favourite time of the year again. No, not Christmas. Project Challenge. Every year I make my pilgrimage to Project Challenge, a free event for project professionals. This year the event's taking place at the QE Centre near to Westminster in London. I'm going to put the website address in the description, but basically there's lots of exhibitors present and they've almost always got something interesting to share, even if you're not exactly shopping around for tools or services. And it's never a bad idea to learn a little bit more about the market, so there's a lot of value to be gained from those conversations. But for me, the big attraction is the free seminars. Usually I'll turn up on the day and decide which seminars I'm going to attend, but this time round, as there are so many that are actually quite interesting, I thought I need to do a little bit of advanced planning. So this is my current plan, subject to change. At 10 a.m, I'll be heading to the Learning and Professional Development Zone to see Pursuing a PMO Career, Think Beyond Project Management Certifications by John McIntyre from Hot PMO Limited. Already I've got problems because I need to be in two places at once. So right after that class, I'm going to head to the Masterclass Solution Zone. There I hope to catch the end of the How Do I Apply Agile to My Project Change Initiative by Melanie Franklin from Agile Change Management Limited. I'll probably stay in my seat then and just hang around in the Masterclass Solution Zone in time for the Is It Time for the PMO to Embrace the Realms of Strategy and Innovation by Ivan Lloyd from Edison 365. I don't want to make Ivan blush, but I saw his presentation at Project Challenge on the topic of the Innovation Office a few years ago, and I was so inspired I gave glowing feedback to Project Challenge, which they now use in their marketing. Then it's back to the Learning and Professional Development Zone for How Much Change Management is Too Much by Paul Clavering from Just Enough Change Management. Then after lunch I'm heading to the Case Studies Zone for a couple of presentations. I've seen some really helpful presentations here previously, so I'll be very interested in implementing a portfolio management solution in public services by Michael Orchard from Healthier Lancashire and South Cumbria Intermediate Care Transformation Programme. And then I'll stick around for the Project and Programme Management Understanding the Challenges and Delivering Your Vision and Getting It Right by Derek Strachan from CPS. And then I'll round the day off by heading to the Learning and Professional Development Zone for Through the Keyhole at the House of PMO by Eileen Rudden and Lindsay Scott from the House of PMO. If you're based in London or have easy access to the city, I really recommend going to the event. All I've mentioned here are the talks that I intend on attending, but there are so many others that will be taking place. Go and have a look at the website. I'm sure you'll find something of interest to you. Don't forget, this is a free event. All you've got to do is convince your boss to cover your travel expenses and your lunch. That's a bargain for what you're going to learn from this. And just to top it off, here's a bonus. You might bump into me there.